Alright guys, we're going to be reviewing this first aid kit from BMW. So we're here in this nice lot. That's our friend's, that he has a bunch of BMWs. So we were just like looking around and we found it. So we're just going to be opening it up. It was inside this car, which is a E46. So it's probably a couple years old actually. So it's untouched. So we're going to see how it held up. So let's start by opening the package slowly. Alright, well, those are the first things inside. Let's see what that says. Let's see. Quick guide to first aid and CPR. And it says everything there. You guys can pause it if you want to read it. Open it up like this. Emergency numbers. It's kind of like a neat thing to have, I guess. Yeah, all the instructions. Some of this stuff. Let's see what else that looks like.
Cleaning your hands.
Cleaning, and this is pretty old, guys, but I still feel that it's like pretty moist inside.
The packaging is getting like rusted outside or something.
Yeah, the package does look made in USA. Let's see what. All right, yeah. So has all the stuff it has, so you guys can pause it there. I wish it would say the date this was placed in here. Based on these numbers, you guys can decode it and you guys can see what
you can see like the metal things getting rusted already.
Yeah, the metal's like sort of getting pretty rusted.
The scissors pretty good.
Yeah, scissors, since it's in that plastic stuff, and it's stainless.
It's still getting rusted though.
Yeah. There's no expiration dates on everything yet.
We got the
survival wrap.
Yeah.
Heat reflective.
They give you everything.
This is pretty cool. Got some
bandages,
some stuff, some of these you can wrap around your legs or whatever. I don't know what everything is for, honestly, but it still looks pretty cool. I don't know what's in here though. Has some more stuff down there. Let's see what this is. Yeah, one of these. Most of the stuff's they made in China, but I'm pretty sure it's good products too. Yeah, guys, so that's basically it. Pretty nice. Came out of the E46, so it's not that new, but it still looks pretty good. As you can see by the rust, you can tell that it's not that new. But it still looks nice. Alright guys, thanks for watching.